Hi, my name is Kirsten, and I'm the teacher.
Hi, my name is Owen, and I'm the athlete.
Powerlifting skill, power clean.
In this video, we're going to be talking about the powerlifting skill of power clean. All of the equipment used in this video is standard to any gym. However, for pre-teaching, we're going to be talking about using different accessible materials to ensure that the athlete has a firm grasp on what the skill is before engaging in the skill. For more information about pre-teaching, please check out NWABA's pre-teaching video.
Use a tactile diagram to demonstrate the movement.
So we are going to check out our power clean body movements on our tactile diagram if you want to feel along. We have his knees bent and hips are sitting back like he's hovering over a chair, and his back is perfectly flat and his nose is looking straight at the wall in front of him. And then as he lifts the bar up, he keeps it right next to his shins, so it's dragging up his shins the entire way. His chest is over the bar, and he's standing up by straightening his legs. And then he is going to stand all the way up and shrug his shoulders up. And after he shrugs, he's going to flip the bar up to his shoulders. And so it's right at shoulder level, and his knees are bent because he catches it low like he's squatting. And you can feel that on our tactile diagram. And then he stands straight up. And always that bar is going to stay right at his shoulder level. Nice job!
Use an artist's figurine with the athlete to demonstrate the movement.
So we have him starting with his feet shoulder width apart. Toes are pointing directly forward. This one doesn't bend all the ways that a human body does, but enough so that we can show it. So I want you to feel how the bar is right against his shins and feel how flat his back is. His arms are right at his shoulders. His hands are right at his shoulders when he finishes.
Use tactile modeling to demonstrate the movement.
I have a PVC pipe in my hands, and it has tape along the PVC pipe to make it tactile for the smooth part of the bar and where the rough part starts. And it's lighter, so it makes it a good tool to practice with before we move to the bar. So I'm going to start in our ready position where I have my knees bent, my hips are sitting down. Yep, and you can feel how flat my back is and my shoulder blades are pinched together. And then I want you to keep your hand right where it is and feel how as I stand up, and I want you to put the other hand on my arm, on my left arm, perfect. And so as I stand up, and then I will flip and I catch the bar, and do you feel how I'm still squatting?
Yeah.
And then I stand right up.
Practice the lift with no weight.
Bend your knees and sit your hips back and let the bar hang so that it's at shin level.
Like this?
Just like that. Your back is getting flatter, and then as you stand up, pinch your shoulder blades together and let your arms relax. And as you stand up, stand up, stand up, and let the bar flip. And then, nice. We're going to try one more time just with adding the legs. So as we stand up, we shrug, and then our feet jump out a little bit.
Like that?
Yeah. Nice job.
Okay.
Okay.
Walk through the lift step by step with the athlete.
All right, Owen, so what we are going to do is I want you to start at the top of our deadlift like we did before, and then we're going to bring the bar down to the start of our deadlift, and we're going to sink our hips a little bit lower. And I want you to feel how my body is right now, okay? And then I'm going to just stand up. Okay, so I'm going to hand you the bar, and you're going to start at the top of our deadlift that we did before. All right, now I want you to squat down, and you're going to let the bar roll over. Excellent, okay. All right, so now we're going to do this with a shrug at the end. So I'm going to take the bar from you, and I want you to feel how we do the exact same motion that we just did. I sink down, I'm starting, my shoulder blades are pinched together, I stand up, and I shrug. Okay, I'll pass you the bar, and we're going to get down into that starting position.
Hold on, I'm looking for that.
Okay, perfect. And now we let the bar, okay, and shrug. Nice.
Be patient. It may take several attempts for the athlete to progress in the skill.
Now we're going to do something called a hang clean to talk about the second half of our power clean. And I'm going to describe that. So again, I'm going to start standing up at the top of our deadlift, and I'm going to sink down so the bar is just above my knees. And as I stand up, I'm going to shrug. When I shrug my shoulders, I'm going to flip the bar up towards my shoulders. Do you feel how my hands flipped right underneath?
Yeah.
Yep. And right now, feel how my elbows are pointing to the wall in front of me. So there is a 90-degree angle for my arms in my body, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to have you start with the bar. And you're starting standing, and now you're going to get down into that position where the bar is right above your knees. And now as you stand up, shrug, and let the bar slide to the tops of your fingertips as your elbows point forward.
Be patient. It may take several attempts for the athlete to progress in the skill.
Okay, so we are starting at the top, and we're going to get down to shin level. All right, jump, shrug, elbows underneath, flip your hands underneath. Okay, nice job.
The skill should increase in difficulty as the athlete progresses.
And so those are some different ways that we can break down our power clean movement to having the athlete practice a clean pull, practice doing a hang clean, and then with practice and patient teaching, we can start to break it into the full movement of power clean. This is a really difficult lift, so we understand that it is going to take time and practice and a lot of different breaking down the skill to have the athlete be successful. However, with patient teaching and good communication and making all teaching accessible, all lifts, including the power clean, can be accessible for athletes who are blind or visually impaired.
For more, visit the Sports Adaptations page at www.nwaba.org. Thank you for watching. Slide of NWABA logo.